Effects of that now, with some localised flooding, and rainfall totals are starting to tot up. Over the last couple of days, the emphasis has been away from the southwest where we had the flooding, over to the northwest. Just take a look at this. Honester Pass, 193 millimetres of rain in the Lake District. North Wales, 133 millimetres. And that rain is fairly widespread out to the west. If we take a look at what's happened over the last 3 days, heavy rain in the southwest, but then we just keep getting this feed of wet weather that's just easing away, only then to be replaced by yet another pulse pushing in. So some very wet, and at times we've seen some very windy weather as well. Now, for the remainder of the day, the heaviest of the rain easing its way through the Midlands down into East Anglia and South East England. Behind it, there should be quite a clearance, but it means a pretty miserable evening rush hour, I'm afraid, in the London area. The brighter greens denoting the intensity of the rain, blustery winds to go with it. Some sunshine behind it, but not in the far northwest of Scotland. Gusts of winds 50, 60 miles an hour, and a feed of showers coming in as you're closest to that area of low pressure. So no surprise to see that the temperatures are a little bit subdued. We're looking at 14 to 16 degrees in the north, maybe highs around 18 or 19 Celsius. Now, the rain will ease away slowly but surely in the southeast overnight, but closest to that low in Scotland, we still keep that feed of showers. Sandwiched in between the two, clearer skies. Actually, a chilly start perhaps to our Thursday morning with single figures here. But as we go into tomorrow, we start off bright with some sunshine and slightly lighter winds across England and Wales. Still the gales feeding in those showers into the far north and west. Sunny spells and scattered showers may well give way to some heavy thundery downpours into the afternoon, particularly across central and southern England. Temperatures again at around 13 to 19 Celsius as the overall high. We're going to keep the showers on Friday as well, mostly out towards the west, perhaps not as much thunder around, but some of them may well just push that way inland across eastern areas as we go through the day. And the temperatures are always going to be just that little bit disappointing, I suspect. So top temperatures expected again into the high teens. Now, as we go through to the weekend, an area of high pressure is set to build and keep things relatively quiet. So we start off on Saturday with some sunshine around. It's not going to last. More wet and windy weather returns to the northwest from Sunday onwards. Jane.